Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm super excited to be sharing this really fun DIY challenge that is hosted by Nadia from DIY with Nadia, and her co-host for this month is Elena Jenkins DIY. I've known Nadia and Elena for a very long time. They are super crafty and they are a must to follow if you are into DIYs. So I will have both of their channels linked down in the description box, and also make sure to check out the playlist for the challenge, which will also be linked in the description box. So Nadia has started to do these foodie DIY challenges. Last month was a watermelon challenge, which I enjoyed tremendously. Watermelon is one of my favorite fruits, summertime fruits, so it was perfect. And this time it's donut. Now, since I am fully into fall DIYs, I thought somehow to incorporate that donut into fall decor, and then through some extensive research on Pinterest and everything, I had to come up with what I think a perfect DIY. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have picked up this, it's called the Thanksgiving pumpkin. It is super glittery, 100% not my style, but I love the shape and I think it will be perfect for my little project. You will also need some orange acrylic paint, brown acrylic paint, also a black permanent marker as well, and I am also using a chalky finish spray paint in classic white. You could also use just white paint if you wanted to. I just thought the chalk paint would be much faster, and some paint brushes and just a paint bowl or a tray. So the first thing that I will be doing is getting this pumpkin ready for its paint job. So I'm just gonna try and take the stem off, and then I'm going to spray paint the pumpkin. It is raining outside, so I will be doing it inside, but I have a window right behind the camera. So I want a full coverage with this white paint. I'm not that concerned about the top as much as I am about the rest of it, so I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to let this dry. So the pumpkin is all painted and dry. I didn't really do much on the bottom, but here it is. And now I'm going to take my orange paint and ice it. So my pumpkin is my donut, and now I'm going to ice it. I'm just going to add a little bit more and take a smaller paintbrush, and I want to kind of make a little definition. If you want to see me make actual real donuts, make sure you head on over to my cooking channel, where I share all sorts of cooking videos and recipes and what's for dinners. The link is down below. And if you want to see how I showcase all of my DIYs, make sure you head on to my home channel where I share all of my home decorating, cleaning, decorating, shopping hauls, and things like that. Okay, so it looks like icing now. And now for the top, I am going to put some sprinkles on. And I'm just using a very thin paintbrush and the brown paint. And I'm just going to sprinkle it on. Okay, and then once it dries, I'm gonna go over with the black marker as well to ice it. And while that's drying, I'm just going to take some of this brown paint and paint the stem so it's not this shiny gold stem. And I'm just going to attach that back in, and my donut is done. Here it is, all finished. I think it turned out so cute, and I think it's gonna be a great addition in my kitchen as part of my kitchen fall decor. So I'd like to thank Nadia and Elena for hosting this challenge. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, shared it with a friend or two. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future foodie challenges or any other videos that are coming up. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.